Hi, it's Łukasz from ControlAI, helping you ensure your AI is safe and compliant with our app, available now at app.controlai.org. We've just launched an exciting new feature, the ability to monitor the output of your LLMs in real time. Head to app.controlai.org to test it now, or stay tuned for a detailed explanation of how it actually works. The solution uses an API that you authenticate with using your personal key, available through our app. You can get this key from the Settings tab, and it supports a variety of methods to post information to it. We've created a Python package that you can integrate into your existing operations for us to automatically log the messages your users are sending and register those requests within our API. You can also send requests directly to the API. You can start by installing our Python package using pip install ControlAI. Then copy the code for the representative example that we've created to show you how the solution works. That's available at our Substack. In the example, we've chosen to run Chainlit, a lightweight LLM client. Start the LLM by running the chainlit run command, and you should see the client. You can start your conversations with the LLM here, and all will show up in the Analytics tab. Head over to the Analytics section of our app and see for yourself. Here, you not only see all of the aggregated information that we've collected using the package, but also specific details of the conversations that you've decided to track using our package. We plan to expand the functionalities of the monitoring platform with guardrails and custom evaluations soon. More cybersecurity functionalities are coming, so stay tuned to hear more updates with regards to this aspect of our operations. Head to our Substack to read more. Link is in the description below. See ya!